There's a lot that's broken about the US criminal justice system, but I actually have so much hope because there's so much that we can do to improve, and there's so much alignment around improving it. And technology is a really big part in doing that. Most sentences in America are not cut and dry. So a judge sentences you to 10 years, but he actually expects you to serve 5. And you're gonna earn those other 5 years off by doing all kinds of different things. Maybe you're gonna earn 1 year off by getting a GED and another 30 days off for every 120 days of good behavior. One very basic thing that Recidiviz is doing is building a unified data platform that can help people see their roadmap to reentry from the very beginning, including every opportunity that they're eligible for all the way through.
Recidiviz is bringing corrections into the 21st century. What they're trying to do is have the shortest and most rehabilitative path for the incarcerated person. And their tools kind of really allow that to happen. These small changes, when multiplied out over large numbers of people, can have huge impact. When people focus on the right things when they're in prison, community safety is improved. And that is established by the research.
We're now doing this work in almost half of the country. 46% of the US prison population is on this platform. And we've helped bring 240,000 people home sooner and more likely to succeed. That work means a lot of things for a lot of different people. We've generated $440 million in increased earnings for those people and their families. We have seen recidivism drop by 16% in the states that have been on the platform the longest. We've generated an estimated $1.2 billion in reduced costs from incarceration.
One of the roles of philanthropy is we can make it less risky for government to try things. We can support pilot projects. We can support, nonprofits that are trying different things.
The feedback loop that we're trying to create and that we're working with Arnold Ventures on is one where you do the research to figure out what really works. And then we make it really easy for those policies to actually reach the people that they were intended to reach.
Long term, I see government being more nimble, more able to deliver on the promises that they make, and just produce better outcomes for society.
When you can help people pull out of firefighting mode and out of crises into a proactive mode where they can drive toward a vision, that's how you can really build a system that starts to transform outcomes and change lives at scale.
I see people so excited about these tools, right? Just watching the interactions that they have, whether it's with incarcerated people or amongst themselves, to just talk about the way it makes their lives easier. I mean, that in itself would be enough, right? But then it's having this huge impact well beyond that. It's going to impact and change the face of the country.